Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Footwear Fashion Palace, and I am here with my another video. And my this video is about some different length of pencil heel in really beautiful design and different color combination that looks really amazing and pretty. And as you know, these heel looks really amazing with your every kind of outfit, like it's eastern or it's western, and it can also give you a temporary height boost and makes you taller. And there are different embellishments on heel, like the shiny material studs or different thing that make your heel more attractive and beautiful. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful black color heel, like two heels and different designs. And this one is also a very pretty, very decent and beautiful kind of color. And this print looks really nice, a very beautiful leopard kind of print that looks really unique. And as you see, this white color here also looks really nice, a very unique kind of green color that looks really different. And as you see, this black color heel also looks really good, a very beautiful sleek heel that looks really different and pretty. And as you see, this jeans material on the top of the heel looks really unique and really different kind of designs. And this one is also a very beautiful shining heel. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care. Thanks for watching this video till the end.